Everybody loves to be remembered on those special days.
But these days, more and more people do it with e-cards, including my mother. Call 12 for Actions. Rick DeBrule is here to explain why you need to be careful before you open that next card. I guess even if it's from mom?
Even if it's from your mom. No, actually, if you know it's from your mom, you're okay. It's the ones where you don't know that's the problem. You know, a while back we did a story about something called a botnet. Now, that is a network of computers that have been taken over by hackers and scammers. It might even be your computer. And the question is, how do they do it? How do they get in? Well, the latest method is sending you a greeting card.
It might say an old friend has sent you a greeting card, or even a worshiper has sent you a greeting postcard. All you have to do to see it is click on the link.
And you'll see it says 2000greetings.com pickup, and it looks all legitimate. It says your greeting card is here. And if you click on it, it's actually going to try to install a program on your machine.
A bad program, and your antivirus software won't catch it.
That's also the ultimate way to get in to take over somebody's machine. If I want to steal your identity, I want to see what you're typing to get into your online banking account, those kinds of things. If I can sneak this program in, and you let me in, I got you.
And even though it says it's from a legitimate company like American Greetings, don't believe it.
It's very easy for these guys to make the email look like it's coming from one of the legitimate companies.
One way to tell if it's legit, just pass your mouse over the link. A lot of computers will show you the real address as a pop-up. If it's different from the one that appears to be written there, it's trouble. And if you're not sure?
If you don't trust it, you don't know what it is, delete it. Get rid of it. Don't click on any links. Don't do anything at all with it other than just get rid of it.
And that advice goes beyond e-cards. If you cannot completely trust the link you're clicking in any email, don't do it. You know, now sometimes you get those and they say, you know, your mother, Lynn Sue, has sent you a card. If it's got that person's name in it, your odds are you can trust it.
Now, what if you're forwarding something, a bad one?
Forwarding is evil.
So it could come from a friend, but it could be a bad one that got forwarded.
And if it comes from Lynn Sue, definitely
watch out.
You are so not opening it.
Thanks.